Hello, I'm Riva Balian, and you are watching Technia Top 10, your quick roundup of the most important and impactful news from India and around the world. From politics to international affairs, sports to entertainment, we bring you every major headline with sharp insight, all in just few minutes. So, without any delay, let's get started with today's top 10 headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a crucial meeting on rising tensions in West Asia. He assured that there will be no shortage of essential supplies. Strict action was warned against black marketing. Home Minister Amit Shah will present the CAPF Bill 2026 in the Rajya Sabha. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will table the finance bill in the Lok Sabha. A significant day of legislative activity is expected in Parliament. The budget session in Delhi will begin with the traditional tea ceremony. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta may present the economic survey report. AAP has warned of a possible boycott of the session. A cabinet meeting held in Lucknow under Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath today. More than 2 dozen proposals approved. The NIA has intensified action in the Delhi Red Fort case. Raids were conducted at 12 locations in Kashmir. Investigation into the terror network has been accelerated. The central government has taken a major decision. States will receive 20% additional allocation of commercial LPG. The move aims to improve supply availability. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will hold talks with Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov. Discussions will focus on tension in the Gulf region. Both leaders will also address a conference. The Election Commission may release a new supplementary voter list today. This is a part of SIR process, an important development ahead of the West Bengal elections. Air India and Air India Express will operate 30 special flights. These flights are arranged for travel to and from West Asia. The focus is on ensuring passenger convenience. Tensions in the Middle East continue for the 24th day. Verbal exchanges between Iran and Israel has intensified. Warnings regarding the Strait of Hormuz have also been issued. So these were the top 10 major news stories of the day on Technia Top 10. Stay tuned to Technia Top 10 where we don't just report news, we show its impact. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.